Did you know poor sleep can damage our blood vessels and lead to a higher risk of cardiovascular disease? The body uses these precious hours to repair itself, including the lifelines to our heart. So how exactly does sleep deprivation hurt those blood-carrying structures in your body? Is there anything you can do about it? Well, let's talk about that. Sleep and blood vessels. It's during your sleep that your body repairs blood vessels. So if you always lack sleep, your body can't heal those blood-carrying structures. This increases your risk of stroke, heart diseases, high cholesterol, and hypertension. Stroke and blood vessels. A 2017 study found sleep deprivation increased the risk of stroke by up to 45%. It also noted a 71% increase in the risk of ischemic heart disease. A stroke happens when the brain doesn't get enough blood. A blocked artery or a burst blood vessel can cause this. In both cases, not enough blood enters the brain, leaving it deprived of oxygen and nutrients. Heart disease and vessels. Ischemic heart disease refers to heart problems resulting from narrowed heart arteries. This restriction of the blood vessels limits the supply of blood and oxygen to the heart. It's more commonly referred to as coronary heart or coronary artery diseases. Not all ischemic diseases affect the heart. Ischemia can happen to any part of the body where blood flow and oxygen becomes restricted. High blood pressure. Does your blood pressure go to anything higher than 130 over 80 millimeters of mercury, or mmHg? This means you already have hypertension. High blood pressure happens when blood applies excessive force against blood vessel walls. Too much force can lead to broken blood vessels and a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Hypertension affects some 75 million people in the United States. What's the link between sleep and elevated blood pressure then? During sleep, your blood is more effective in regulating stress hormones. It's also during this time when the nervous system becomes inhibited. This leads to your entire body and brain supposedly relaxing. Researchers found sleep deprivation can affect this hormone regulation process. Another study also noted how a lack of sleep impairs the nervous system. Both can result in an increase in stress, which is often followed by higher blood pressure. Ever wondered why you're irritable and easy to snap when you're sleep deprived? There's your answer. Addressing sleep problems. To prevent these effects of sleep deprivation, you need to address the root cause of your lack of sleep. It's possible all you need is a new and better mattress. Your old and lumpy one may be contributing to the pain you feel, which can be the cause of your sleep issues. You should also improve lighting and sound conditions in the bedroom. Complete darkness can help you get to sleep faster and even stay asleep. You can also use earplugs to block as much sound as possible. Limit your caffeine, yes, including coffee, tea, and soda, intake. It's highly stimulating, which can disrupt your body clock. If possible, stop having these beverages 6 hours before your scheduled bedtime. As much as you love napping, it can be the source of sleep disruptions. You can still nap, but keep it to no more than 30 minutes every day. So even if you feel okay now despite your lack of sleep, you'll feel its negative effects soon enough. So don't wait for it to start attacking your blood vessels. Come on over and visit our site today. We have tons of suggestions to help you sleep and live better. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.